Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing week 3 of the Leetcode October weekly challenge or whatever. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. And yep, just double checking that I got the right camera this time. Yeah, let's take a look at today's problem without further ado. We have 1429, first unique number. You have a queue of integers. You need to retrieve the first unique integer in the queue. Implement the first unique class. Okay, so you have the numbers in the queue. 2, 3, 5. Show the first unique. Return the first unique integer of the queue, and add insert value to the queue. Okay. I mean, I think I don't know. This is such a weird problem. Let me think about this for a second. I mean, the key thing that the key observation I would make about this one is that you only have an add function, right? So that means that for a thing with unique, right? The first time you add a number, that number will be unique. Of course, there's some parsing. And then, but if you add the same number, then it won't be unique, and it'll also never be unique again, right? So that's really the key idea here. And there are a couple of ways you can do this, really, I think. I mean, yeah, because when you insert because when the number can never be unique again, then you could do a lot of amortization stuff. I think that's really it, right? So you just keep track of all the, so okay. So maybe we have self.queue is equal to collections.deck, right? So we have a queue, and then maybe just like a scene, yeah, so actually, no, that's my syntax. It just looked kind of awkward, right? And then now, yeah, for x in nums, we can even just like call the add function because we can just do it that way, right? Which is that, okay. Yeah, so then self.queue.append value, maybe we can just do a quick check, right? If value is in self.scene, then we just return, right? Otherwise, then now we self.scene.add value, and that's pretty much it. And then wait, no. Okay, yeah, so if value is in self.scene, okay, maybe I need a second one, right? So maybe like a not unique. I was trying to, I mean, you could definitely do a way to make it so that you only do one thing, but I don't know. I feel like maybe that's not whatever, right? Okay, so if value is in self.scene, then self.notUnique we'll just put value in it, right? Yeah. And we can even do an amortization here now if we like, because only here do we maybe that's not true, but that's fine that we can do it here, right? Which is that I mean, the state change, this is the only place where state changes, right? I was going to add, so what I want to do is now we want to remove from the beginning of the queue as long as it is not unique, right? So we can do something like this. Then now we want to pop left because that number can no longer be unique, right? Man, I cannot spell or type anyway, right? And I was briefly debating whether I could put this here or need to anyway, but the answer is no, right? Because nothing changed with this condition. So I think just having it here is good enough. And then now when we show the unique, we go if length of queue is equal to 0, then we return -1. Otherwise, we just return -0, right? And that should be good. Unless I'm like off by 1 on some state we seen, and then if it's not seen, we add. Yeah, I mean, I think this should be good though. Oh, it's self.queue. Don't usually do it with a class, so I'm a little bit sloppy. Yeah. Yeah, it looks okay. So let's give it a quick submit. Apparently I've done it 4 years ago. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It looks funky because of this while loop. You may say that, oh, is this O of n? Is this O of n? Well, this is O of 1 just because what it looks like. This is O of 1 per unit. It's amortized O of 1, so one function call may actually take a while sometimes, but each item can only get pop 1, so this is amortized O of 1, right? Because each item can only be inserted once, the way that we did it. So yeah. I'm curious how Larry from 4 years ago did. That was very early on in COVID era. Time flies. Okay, so I guess I did the same thing with, except for that I did the count. That's true. I guess I could have done the count that way with a count. And the way that I would write it now, maybe I would clean it up with default dictionary or something. But okay, I mean that makes sense. And that time I put the this thing in the front and here instead of here, but same amortization. So anyway, that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. This is all of n because there's n items. This is all of 1. This is all of 1 amortized. And that's all I have for this one. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.